everybody. Now, we think it's week 8 of Fun Fact Friday, but we're not quite sure anymore. Now, we've seen some really cute animals over the last few weeks. The goats, the donkeys, the guinea pigs, and the tortoises were all right as well. But what cute, fluffy animal has Elliot got for us all today? Let's go see. So here we are. Hello, Elliot.
Good afternoon.
Thanks for joining us in the sunshine. Now, what cute, fluffy animal have you got for us today?
So I've got an animal that really enjoys this hot weather.
Yeah, me too.
So here we go. So this is Cairo. She's one of our royal pythons.
Wow, okay, not so cute and fluffy. A royal python, did you say?
It is, yeah. She's got a royal python also.
Cairo.
Cairo, yeah.
Is there any reason for that?
They're from sort of northern and central Africa. So that's why she's got the name Cairo.
Ah, like the Egyptian
Yeah.
style. I like that. Now, she seems quite relaxed. Like, she doesn't seem too stressed. Has she been fed to be like this? Does she eat? Is she hungry?
The royal pythons are really docile. They're not venomous. They're just, they're quite a good, just placid snake.
What do they eat if they are fed?
So this one would eat sort of like large mice, rats, like small birds, anything like that really.
Ah, okay. Did she eat that often?
She'll eat about every sort of 2 weeks or so.
Ah, okay, fab. Well, I must admit, there's a phobia of snakes, isn't there, that's quite common. She seems absolutely fine.
Yeah, a lot of people are scared of snakes just because there are venomous snakes, but this one couldn't hurt you at all. She's really placid, just nice and gentle, and not aggressive in any way.
I'm going to be really brave. Can I hold her?
You can hold her, yeah.
Oh, God.
There we go, so pass her across.
Oh, wow. She's quite warm.
Yeah, so a lot of people think of slimy snakes.
Yeah.
There aren't any snakes that are slimy. They're actually quite warm, they're quite smooth. It's just a bit of a misconception with snakes.
They shed their skin, don't they? How often do they do that?
So the more they eat, the more they're shed. And when they do shed, it comes off all in one long piece.
Wow. Well, I must admit, I've definitely cured my phobia of snakes, whether she's cute and fluffy or not. Oh, thank you very much, Elliot, and thank you, Cairo. I think I've made a new friend. Now, next week, can we do the meerkats?
See what we can do.
Oh, okay. Join us next week and find out if we get in the meerkat enclosure or not. Thank you very much, Elliot, and thank you, Cairo. And we'll see you next week.